प्रशांत, अरे प्रशांत. This is the eVerse straw counting machine. We have immersed this goblet holder, straw goblet holder inside the nitrogen LN2. There are different color straws are immersed in the nitrogen. This goblet holder machine, we can rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise to bring the goblet below the camera to take the picture. It's very smooth to rotate one by one to count the straws in the goblet. We can rotate this goblet holder machine clockwise or anti-clockwise, and there is a brake to stop the goblet below the camera. If the picture is clear, we don't need this holder to pull up, but if the picture is not clear, we can pull the handle upward for a fraction of a second to take the picture. Only the tips of the straw will come out of the nitrogen for fraction of second as I'm pulling this out. So for fraction of second to take the picture, the straw tips come out and I can release it again inside the nitrogen. So this way we can rotate the goblet holder machine tray. Then we can take the picture without pulling it out also, it can take the picture clearly. But if vapors are more, then we can pull the handle up so that goblet will come out, the straw tips will come out for a fraction of a second. We'll take the picture and release it again. So that way it's very comfortable to take the picture. Then this is the camera. It's a high resolution camera with a lens on the camera to take the pictures of the straw goblets. The camera is held by the handle, a stand, camera stand. This way the camera stand is multi-channel. We can rotate the camera wherever we want. To adjust it for first time, we need to manually divert the camera with the stand. The stand you can fit at any position you want, as it is fitted over here there in this trolley. The camera cable, one end is gone to the power, and the data cable, USB cable is connected. As we can see that data cable of the camera is connected to the laptop. The software is already installed in the laptop. The symbol of the software in the laptop, you can see eVerse symbol, you can see the yellow color. Yes, that is the eVerse symbol for the straw counting machine software. We'll open it now. So this software is open, wherein you can see the frozen semen straw counter, which is developed by eVerse in association with NDDB. Now in this you can see the 4 options are given, drop down options. One is date. You can set the date for which date you have like checking the sample quality. And second is item, that which bull sample you are using, that also we can select out of the drop down option. Then physical location you can set, and the batch number of the sample also you can set into it. So now for first sample, we'll set the date is already set it, it's 25th of July, and we are selecting the sample, which sample we are checking. So the sample is FSD indigenous gear, and now physical location is, if we want we can take it, or if we want that batch number also we can give it. So physical location is Rahuri, we have typed over there Rahuri, so that in the result it will show that Rahuri was the physical location where we have checked the sample, and also which item sample we have, or which bull sample we had evaluated, that also it will show. And the batch number, if you have given any batch number to the sample, that batch number also we can mention in the software, and then we'll click on to submit. So once we submit, it will show us the camera, whatever camera is catching. If the goblet is not properly adjusted below the camera, so we can set the camera. So now if you can see on the screen, the picture is also very clear. So if we'll click on to count, take a image and then count the straws in the goblet. Now it's showing us the result, the total 656 straws identified in the goblet.